Ridhima, please unmute yourself once more. Ridhima, please unmute yourself once more.
No, ma'am, I have any question.
Okay.
No question.
Yes, if you mistakenly got the unmute option. Okay. Mute yourself, please. Ridhima, please unmute yourself. Ridhima, are you there? Can you listen to me? Ridhima, please turn on your camera, please. Ridhima, can you turn on your camera? Rest of the student, except Asraful, please turn on your camera. Asraful is having the network issue. Rest of the students does not have any kind of network issue. Okay, can you listen to me, Ridhima? Unmute yourself once.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Ridhima, you didn't know that OMR sheet filling, you need to color the circle. Yes or no? If no, okay, you are getting mute again. Unmute yourself once. You knew that the OMR sheet color means ওই সার্কেল গুলোর মধ্যে কালার করতে হবে, এটা জানতে না তুমি?
No, ma'am.
ক্লাস করনি একটাও? কোনো সাবজেক্টেরই পরীক্ষা দাওনি?
দিয়েছি, ma'am.
আমি আমার ক্লাস কোনোদিন করনি না? ম্যাথস আর কম্পিউটার, যখন ওএমআর শিট গুলো ড্র করে আমি কালার করে করে দেখাতাম। Okay, so it's okay, fine. It's okay, fine. আমি তোমায় বকছি না, বাট ক্লাস করোনি, এই জন্য আমি জাস্ট তোমায় বলছি তুমি একটু রেগুলার ক্লাসগুলো করো। যদি কোথাও কোনোদিন ক্লাস না করো, তাহলে আমাকে অবশ্যই জিজ্ঞেস করবে যে কি তোমার প্রবলেম হচ্ছে বা কেন তুমি ক্লাসে আসতে পারোনি। তুমি ক্লিয়ারলি বলবে, যেটা রিজন সেটাই, যে ম্যাম আমার ক্লাস করতে ভালো লাগছিল না, আমি করিনি। আমি আজকে নিমন্ত্রণ বাড়িতে গেছিলাম, আমি করিনি। Whatever the reason, you can just explain to me so that কোনো communication gap যাতে না হয়। ওকে রিদিমা?
Okay, ma'am.
ওকে, কোনো ভয় পাওয়ার কিছু নেই। আমি তো কম্পিউটারের ভিতর দিয়ে যেতেও পারবো না, তো ভয় পেয়ে লাভ নেই। প্রবলেমস হলে তোমাকেও সলভ করতে হবে, আমাকেও সলভ করতে হবে। সো নেক্সট টাইম থেকে যা কিছু প্রবলেম, খুব বাজে ডাউট আছে, হয়তো একটা খুব সিম্পল কোয়েশ্চেন, সেইটাও কিন্তু আস্ক করবে। সেটা শুধু রিদিমাকে বলছি না, সবাইকেই বলছি। কোনো সিম্পল ডাউটস, যে হ্যাঁ ম্যামকে জিজ্ঞেস করলে ম্যাম যদি বকে, না আমি কখনোই বকবো না, জিজ্ঞেস করলে আমি আনসারটা বলেই দেবো। ওকে, সো টুডে ইজ দ্য ম্যাথস ক্লাস. I am going to just show you the maths once more, which was already completed yesterday. No need to raise your hand. Why you are raising your hand? I have not started any study, you are raising your hand. What are you doing? Sometimes I'm not understanding. Just lower all of your hand. Not started anything to teach. Lower all of your hand. Amar, any question, any doubt? Yes, this sum, from this sum is I will start. From this sum I will start today. Yes, just yes, go ahead.
My network is so poor. Can I?
Yes, turn off your camera. Turn off your own camera. It will be much better. Only you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Oh, no problem. So here C, from the C sum, the doubt was there, right? So C sum is what? I'm just writing it over here. C sum was 178, and here one gap is there. and with that plus 7, 8, 6, this sum is there. I'm so sorry. Now you see 6 is bigger number, 1 is smaller number. Now 6 is bigger, 1 is smaller means what? আমি যদি এই দুটো নাম্বারকে কম্পেয়ার করি 6 and 1, ওকে, তাহলে 6 টা বিগার নাম্বার, 1 টা স্মলার নাম্বার, ওকে। Now 6 আর 1 এর 6, when 6 is bigger, 1 is smaller, that means attend is bigger and the sum is smaller. Listen to it very carefully. So 1, this one, how, what I will consider it? We will consider this one as 11, and from 11 we will subtract 6. Okay, this is 6, I can't write. Yes, Munir, I don't just experiment that with your raise hand option. If you are having real doubt, then only raise your hand. If you are don't have any doubt, no need to raise your hand. Let me complete fast. Understand it. Now I'm just making you understand once more. That time you were raising hand, dropping hand, raising hand, dropping hand. What is this? So 5. So this is become 5. Now this 5 we will write here. So this becomes 5. Up to this, I hope that every point is clear, right? Now coming to the this part, since this is addition, 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6, how much? 11. 1 is here and 1 we will put over here. Okay. Now 8 plus 1, how much? 9. But here, how is there? 1 is there. So 9 is bigger number. Again, 1 is smaller number. So consider consider it as 11 once again. So how much it will come? After doing the subtraction or minus, it will come as 2. Now cross check it after putting the number. Fill in the blanks এ নাম্বারটা লেখার পর আমরা আবার ক্রস চেক করব। ক্রস চেক কিভাবে করব? একবার জাস্ট এই তিনটে নাম্বার এখন একবার যোগ করে দেখে নেব যে 1 plus 8 plus 2 এটা 11 হচ্ছে না, হচ্ছে না। 1 plus 8 plus 2, it is 11, 1, and here 1 is there, right? Now 8 and 8, it is 16, 6, 1 is carry on, so the sum becomes 9. Now Omar, is it okay? If okay, just put one thumbs up. Means how you are raising your hand, you can just use the smiley also from your chat section. Okay, every day you will put, if you understood everything. Yes, Rita Prabhu, I got it. Every day, yes, Marin, you are smiling. Okay, no problem. If you are enjoying my class, you should smile. If you are not, yes, Noida, what happened? You are just not well. Hey, yes, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are not well, though.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. So I hope that everyone, Rahat Malik, Rahat, wait, Rahat. Yes, Rahat, any problem, any doubts are there?
Ma'am, it is my completed.
I know, but your friends is having doubts, so I am just clearing the doubt. Okay. So I hope that this sum is very easy and you got
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Okay, just mute
Ma'am.
yourself, mute yourself, everyone mute yourself. Yes, Ramesh.
Ma'am, ma'am, I completed this page.
Okay, so going to the next page. Very good. You all are good student, I know. Going to the next page. So here you can see these sums also I will solve. Okay. So I am just solving it. Though this was homework, just cross check it. Okay, so 8 plus 2 is 10 and carry on is 1. 3 plus 1, 4 and 4 is there in the answer. So there we are putting 0. Again, 100 plus we are going to just solve. So here with 1 we are going to add 5. My 5 is very bad looking. Don't write the 5 like this way. And here 5 plus 3 is 8. Next with 2 we will just add 6. Now 5 and 2, while we are going to consider 5 and 2, 2 is smaller than 5, so 2 we will consider as 12, and from 12 we will subtract 5. So how much it is coming? It is coming as 7. Now cross check it. 7 plus 5 equal to 12. 2 is here and 1 should be carried on the 100 place. Okay. So 3 plus 1 again 4 and 6 is there. With 4, if we are going to add 2, this will become 6. And with 4, if we are going to add 1, this will become 5. Next here, 8 and 1, 1 is smaller. Cross check it here 4. Now 4 is very less. So sorry, I'm writing wrong. So 4 is less. So that is why we will take 14 minus 5. So here it will 9. So in this place we will put 9 and carry on 1. 3 plus 1, 4. So rest of the sums I'm not explaining. This is very easy. So this is the entire page. So just complete it or check it. So on the next few pages we will go afterwards. Just complete it. I'm giving you 1-2 minutes time. Okay, I hope that you all have completed. I'm clearing this. So going to the this page. We are just going to understand the properties. Okay. Now properties means first is properties means addition is showing some property. This thing we will learn. Only mark those things where I am just marking it. Okay. Now first is commutative property. Commutative property means what? Commutative property is such that suppose you are just adding two numbers. Suppose 1 plus 2 I am adding. How much it will come? 3 it will come. Okay, but you are by yourself doing the sum in a reverse way, means 2 plus 1 you are doing. So how much it will come? Again 3 will come. That means the arrangement of the number is not the necessary. আমি যে কোনো একটা নাম্বার আগে লিখতে পারি, আবার কোনো একটা নাম্বার আমি পরে লিখতে পারি। That is up to me, that what number I will write first and what number I will not write first. That is why this is called commutative property. Here see one example is given. Okay, so the example here, the bigger example they have given, you see that in this here 1400 in the second sum they have written in the as a second addend. Okay, but and this addend is going to work as a first addend on the second sum, but the answer is coming as the same one. Next, going to the associative property. Associative property means here you can see that when three numbers are there, we can just add any two numbers, and with that we will add the third number. Arrangement is not necessary, but the answer will come same. I am giving you a very smaller example. 1 plus 2. Suppose I'm doing plus 3. So how I will solve? 3 plus 3, it will come 6. Okay. Now here again at one moment I am just solving it like this way. Suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now how much it will come? 1 plus 5 equal to 6. See, here first I am just conducting this addition first, but here I am just conducting this addition, but in both the cases the additions are coming as same. Okay, so this property is called associative property. That means wherever we can just going to put the bracket, the answer will come as the same. Next, coming to the additive property. Additive property is of 0. From our childhood we have learned that with any number, if we are going to add the 0, we will get back the same number. So 0 is called, that is why 0 is called the additive identity. Okay, here it is not written. Okay, so just remember when 0 is added to any number, then we get the number itself as their sum. You just mark it and read these three properties and see my screen that you have understood it properly or not. Oh. Okay. For if you understood, just put one thumbs up. Okay, no raise hand raise. Thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. Rahat, where are you sitting? This much black, blue, green lights are there. Yes, yes. Thank you very much. You all are just understood. So going to the exercise. Arey, what is this going on? Not to you. This is on my laptop. Okay, so going to the next exercise. Means exercise C we are going to solve. Okay, so in the exercise C you will see that first this sum. Okay, so let me zoom the screen. First this sum. Okay, so 1509, 200, 819. Here we will use the properties of addition. So how much it will come? Here we will write 2819. 2819. Okay, which property we have used? In bracket also you will write in copy. Okay, by the way, you need to write in copy by giving CW, and today's date is what? Today's date is 7/7/21. Okay, and write exercise C along with page number 39 in your copy the questions also, and in the side, in the first bracket, you will write the property name also. So what was the first property? First property was commutative property. Okay, now on the second sum also the same, 3 6, so that we don't have to calculate the sum. Okay, 3622, my 3622. Okay, wait for a while. 3622. Okay, here also we have used commutative property. Complete it very fast. Rahat, please sit in one place. কোনটা নিয়ে দৌড়াদৌড়ি করে কোনো লাভ নেই, একটা জায়গায় বসে ম্যাথস কর। On these sums we are using property, so that is why we don't have to calculate it. Okay, if we are going to calculate it and the solve it, it will take much time. Complete it. If you complete it, raise your hand. Okay, 11 participants raised their hand, so I hope that everyone completed. Going to the next page. Okay. By mistake, this has happened over here. This is by mistake. Okay, completely. Okay, so here the same thing. Again, we have used the commutative property. Same, that is why I am not writing. Now, Here comes the feast. Okay. So here, just wait for a while. Here what we will write for f. Okay, this is here you will write additive property of 0. Two one nine seven 2197 there. 1758 is there. So 8821. So here we will write like that. Complete it very fast. So I am taking your attendance. No one should just raise their hand. Okay. No one should just raise their hand. Just lower all of your hand. Lower all of. I'm just lowering all of your hand. Today I am not giving you any homework. Yes, Ridhima.
Ma'am, what to do in G number? G.
Okay, G number I have not done. Okay, wait for a while. Here 0. Additive property of 0. Okay. Just I'm lowering the hand once again. Okay, I hope that everyone has completed. If completed, please raise your hand. Okay, Ramiz is showing like victory sign. Very good. From here, from 2, we will do the next day. We will do the on tomorrow. Okay. What are you showing, Rahat?